So find the equation of the circle passing to the point of 4, 1 and 6, 5. Whose center is on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16 here. Means a circle passing through 2 points here. Okay. So this is one point here, 4, 1 and the second point here, 6, 5 here. Circle passes through 2 points here and the center of the circle lies on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. Here diagram is not important here, solution is important. Therefore, let us consider equation of a circle. B x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay. This is circle passing to the point for 1 here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. This circle passes through the point 4, 1. The point 4, 1. Therefore, put x value 4 and y value 1 here. 4 minus of h, it's a square plus. Then 1 minus k. 1 minus k whole square is equal to r square here. Then 4 minus h whole square is 16 here plus h square minus of 8h here. Expand this bracket here. 4 minus h whole square is this here. Then plus 1 minus k whole square is 1 plus k square minus of 2k is equal to r square. Take this one as equation number 2. Also the same circle passing to the point 6, 5. Also 1 passes through the circle. 1 passes through the point 6, 5. So put x value of 6 and y value of 5. So 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Then 6 minus h whole square is 36 here plus h square minus of 12h, then plus 5 minus k whole square here, 25 plus k square minus of 10k is equal to r square. Is equal to r square. So take this one as equation number 3. Equation number 3. And also center lies on this line here. So center of this circle is h comma k. So h comma k lies on the line and center hk lies on 4x plus y is equal to 16 here. Therefore put h equal to h and y is equal to k. Therefore 4h plus k is equal to 16 here. Take this one as equation number 4 here. Okay. So there are 3 equations here and 3 unknowns here. 3 unknowns means h, k and r. These are unknowns here. You have to find these values h, k and r. So there are 3 equations here. Using these 3 equations, find h, k and r here. Solving equations 2 and 3. Okay, solving equations 2 and 3. So write it h square plus k square. H square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k minus 8h minus of 2k and 16 plus 1 becomes 17 here plus 17 is equal to r square. Here also h square plus k square. So first write h square plus k square minus 12h minus 10k minus of 12h minus of 10k 36 plus 25. So 36 plus 25 61 here. So plus 61 is equal to r square. Okay, then change the sign here. Minus minus plus plus minus and minus here. Change the sign. Plus h square minus h square cancel. Plus k square minus k square cancel. Plus r square minus r square cancels here. Then plus 12h minus 8h becomes plus 4h. Then 10k minus 2k plus of 8k. And 17 minus 61 here. So 61 17. Subtract each other 44. So minus of 44, that is equal to 0. So 4h plus 8k minus 44 is equal to 0. So take this one as equation number 5. Take this one as equation number 5. Then we are solving 4 and 5. Okay, solving equations 4 and 5. Therefore 4h plus k is equal to 16 here. 4h plus k is equal to 16 now. Then 4h plus 8k is equal to 44. Take 44, that's here, plus 44 here. Then again change the sign here. Minus minus and minus here and cancel it here. So k minus 8k gives minus of 7k is equal to, so 44 minus 44 plus 60 here. Subtract each other 28. So minus of 28 here. Minus of 28. Then take a minus of 7, that is minus upon minus of plus here. Therefore k is equal to 4 here. The value of k is 4. Substitute k is equal to 4 in the equation 4 here. Substitute here. So put k is equal to 4 in the equation 4 here. Therefore 4h is there. So write here 4h plus 4 is equal to 16 here. Then 4h is equal to 16 minus 4 becomes 12 here. Then h is equal to 12 by 4 becomes 3. 4 these are 12 here. H is equal to 3. Next we want r also. Substitute h and k in this equation here. Substitute here. Even you also can use equation 2 also, or you can use this equation here. This becomes very easy for you. Therefore, here 4 minus h here. 4 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus k is there. 1 minus k value is 4 here. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4, its square is equal to r square here. Is equal to r square. Even we can use this equation also. Even you can use this one also. We will get the same answer here. Then 4 minus 3 gives 1 here. 1 square plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 square is equal to r square. Therefore 1 plus 9 is equal to r square. Therefore the value of r square is equal to 10. R square is equal to 10. So use in the equation 1 here. Therefore equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes x minus of h is 3 x minus 3 whole square plus y minus k value 4, so 4 square here, and r square value is 10, so right here 10. Then x minus 3 whole square is x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y minus 4 whole square is y square plus 16 minus 8y is equal to 10. Therefore write here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y, 16 plus 9, 25. Take a 10 junction here, 25 minus 10 becomes plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle here. That circle passing to the point 4, 1 and 6, 5, as well as the center lies on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16 here. Even here also, just take a previous example here. Circle passing through these 2 points here, and the center lies on this line. Okay. So let us consider here equation of circle. Be x minus of h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square here. Take equation number 1 here. So this circle passes through the point 2, 3 here. The point 2, 3. Therefore substitute x value to here. 2 minus h whole square plus y value 3 here. 3 minus of k whole square is equal to r square here. 2 minus h whole square is 4 plus h square minus of 4h here. Then plus 3 minus k whole square is 9 plus k square minus of 6k is equal to r square. Therefore take this one as equation number 2 here. And circle 1 here passes through the point minus 1, 1 here. Minus 1, 1. Therefore minus 1 minus h, it's a square plus here. Then 1 minus of k, it's a square, is equal to r square here. You can take here minus common here. Minus common and square is there, so minus becomes plus here. Yes, 1 plus h whole square becomes 1 plus h square plus 2h here. Then plus here. 1 minus k whole square is 1 plus k square minus of 2k is equal to r square. Is equal to r square. Take this one as equation number 3. Solving and center lies on this line here. And center H comma K lies on the line here x minus 3y minus of 11 is equal to 0. So put x is equal to h and y is equal to k. So write h minus of 3k minus of 11 is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 4. Then solving 2 and 3. Solving equations 2 and 3. Therefore, h square plus k square, h square plus k square minus 4h minus 6k minus 4h minus of 6k and 4 plus 9 becomes 13 plus 13 is equal to r square. Similarly, h square plus k square, h square plus k square 2h minus 2k plus 2h here minus of 2k and 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here plus 2 is equal to r square. Again change the sign here, minus 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 plus minus and minus here, plus h square minus h square cancels, plus k square minus k square cancels, plus r square minus r square cancels here. Minus 4h minus 2h becomes a minus of 6h minus 6k plus 2k minus of 4k and 13 minus 2 becomes 11 here plus 11 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Then in this case h is there and here it is 6 here. We can multiply this equation by 6 here. Just multiply this equation by 6. 6 into h becomes 6h. Solving, take this one as equation number 5. Solving 4 and 5. Solving equations of 4 and 5. This is equation number 5. Therefore, multiply by 6 here. So 6h, 6 is 18 here. Minus of 18k, 6 is 66 here, minus 66 equal to 0. Then minus of 6h, minus of 4k plus 11 is equal to 0. Plus 6h and minus 6h get cancels here. Minus 18, minus 4, minus of 22k. Minus 66 plus 11 becomes minus 55. Minus of 55 is equal to 0. Take minus 55 right hand side here. So 22k minus 22k is equal to 55. Therefore k is equal to minus of 55 divided by 22 here. Minus 11 5s of 55. 11 2s are 22. So k value minus 5 by 12. Therefore, k is equal to minus of 5 divided by 2. Put this k value in the equation 4 here. So put k is equal to minus 5 divided by 2 in the equation 4 here. Therefore, h is there. Minus 3 into minus 5 by 2 minus of 11 is equal to 0. Then right here h, take a minus 11 right hand side, it becomes plus 11 here. Minus into minus plus here. 5 is 15 by 2. Take 15 by 2 right hand side here. Minus of 15 divided by 3. Then here LCM is 2. LCM here 11 2s are 22 here. 22 minus of 15 here. Therefore, h is equal to 22 minus 15 gives us 7 here. So 7 divided by 2. H value is 7 upon 2. Substitute these k and h values in this equation or in this equation here. You choose any one equation. You better to take this equation here. This is a very simple equation. So minus 1 here, minus of 7 divided by 2, it's a square here, plus 1 minus k is a 5 by 2 here, minus minus plus here, 5 divided by 2, it's a square here, and is equal to r square. K is equal to r square here. Therefore, here this 2 LCM here, 2 ones are 2, minus 2 minus 7, minus of 9 here, minus 9 by 2, it's a square, then a plus 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 5 becomes a 7 here, 7 upon 2, it's a square here, is equal to r square, minus 9 upon 2 square is 81 divided by 4 plus 7 square is 49 here, 49 by 4 is equal to r square, then 4 LCM here, 81 plus 49, it gives 130 is equal to r square. So therefore r square is equal to 130 divided by 4 here. So substitute these three values in the equation 1 here. Okay, this is the value of r square here. Therefore 1 becomes x minus h is 7 upon 2 here, minus of 7 upon 2, it's a square here, then plus y minus half, k value is a minus 5 here, minus minus plus here, so plus 5 by 2, it's a square here, is equal to 130 divided by 4 here, 130 by 4. Here LCM is 2 here, so write here 2 into x becomes 2x here, minus of 7, it's a square here, plus again 2 LCM, 2 into y becomes 2y plus 5, it's a square is equal to 130 divided by 4 here. Then 2x minus 7 whole square is 4x square here, then plus 7 square is 49, minus 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28 here, 28x divided by 4 here, then plus 2y plus 5 whole square is 4y square plus 25 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 here, 20y divided by 4, that is equal to 130 divided by 4 here, 130 by 4. Then here 4 LCM here, so 4 LCM, then write here 4x square here, then a plus 4y square, minus 28x, plus 20y, and 49 plus 25, 49 plus 25, 74 plus 74 is equal to 130 divided by 4 here, 130 by 4. Okay, then this 4 and this 4 cancels here, then write here 4x square plus 4y square minus 28x plus 20y. Take 130 this side here. So 130 minus of 74 here. Therefore 56 here. Minus of 56 is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by 4 here. Dividing both sides by 4 we get x square plus y square minus of 7x plus 5y minus of 4 ones are 4 here and 4 fours are 16 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle.